Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel CCUK Resin, and this is a bit of a strange one, but I'm in the middle of doing my Van Gogh collaboration piece, which is coming on pretty cool so far. But the postman's just arrived and it's a package, and I know who it's from. I'm going to hide the address actually. Because she sent me an email, and this makes me smile so much. It makes all of the hard work worth it. I hope she doesn't mind me doing this as well, because I've not actually asked her permission. Hopefully she doesn't mind. So she sent myself and another artist out there, Lula, a package, a little box of goodies, just as a teeny expression of a thanks to us both for what we do. She's been off work since 1st of Jan after getting flu and COVID. It's left her with no voice, being alone at home for the past few months, not being able to speak to people. Hospitals told her not to talk. Has been very isolating. She's normally a bit of a chatterbox. She loves her job. She helps people as a safeguarding officer and a volunteer ambulance first responder. So not being able to do either has been soul destroying. She says, you guys have been my world for the last 12 months, especially this year. You've been my way of communicating in chats and watching you create. So it's my little way of saying thank you. Love you both and hope you enjoy your boxes. And it was from Michelle Owen, who is an absolute legend. You didn't have to do this, but I'm so excited to open this box. So I thought I'd do it with you all as a video, and thank you so much, Michelle. Just that email alone is enough to know that you're appreciating the content and it's helping you in some way. So we're gonna open it. It's a big box, guys. And I don't know what's in it. So it's very well packaged as well. But I am so grateful, you know. All the hours I put into this channel, as well as working full-time, things like this just make me realise that people out there actually do appreciate the content, you know. It's not just me filming these videos for my sake. It's hopefully helping some of you out there as well. And it's very well packaged, guys. I'm going to have to stand up. And as I say, I was mid-project, and the postman knocked at the door, but I love getting happy mail, and I couldn't wait to open this package, but I wanted to do it with all of you so we can all share the experience. And again, it's thanks to Michelle. Really do appreciate it. Let's open this box. Need some sharper scissors, guys. Here we go. So the box is open, pretty much. There we go. It's now open. So what have we got in the box? I don't know. Let's have a look. Very well packaged. Oh my. It looks like lots of resin goodies. So cups are always useful. Wow, there is so much in this box. Michelle, you really shouldn't have. Wow. We've got the little plastic pots, which again are always very useful. So there's a lot of this what I can actually use in my craft, and hopefully some more silicone tools. That means I can get rid of the old ones. So they're really cool. I think that's another tool. I think that's a pin. Now that is something I've been looking to get for when I do my Petri. It is just a little pin. Look. But hopefully that's going to help me with my Petri. So that is really cool. And half of these things I've thought about buying but never have. These spatulas are amazing, guys. Oh, is this going to be? Wow. It feels like a bottle of something. Nope. But I am so grateful. And there is so much to go through, guys. We're going to be here for a while. It's going to be a bit of a long video, and then I need to get back to my Van Gogh piece. So, a bottle of red. Beautiful. Love a good red. Thank you. What else have we got in this box? Got some beautiful, I think these are chameleon powders. They are. So we've got some beautiful chameleon powders. What's this? Oh, I think this is actually pieces that Michelle has made. Oh, wow. I'm going to treasure this. So it's just... Oh, thank you for making a difference every day. That is a beautiful piece, Michelle. Love it. Love the marbling on it as well. So that is gorgeous. I'm going to treasure that. And that's going to go on the back of my workspace so I can look at it every day. I think that's a nail file, which again, I don't have. So that's always useful. Now, I don't know what these are. Rings of some sort with an arrow. I have not got a clue what they're meant to be. Don't know. Michelle, let me know what they are, because I don't have a clue, but I'm sure I can put them in resin. Another longer stick. Some chains to make some more pendants. A mini whisk, which is very useful for when I'm doing my eco pour, which I don't have, so that is brilliant. Some keyring attachments. Some piping bags. Very useful. Some more piping bags. Wowzers, is this box ever ending? Some flat backs for when I'm doing some pendants and cabochons. Really cool. Paint brushes, artist brushes. Clearly she doesn't know me, I'm not an artiste. Some O-rings, again, very useful for when I'm making jewellery. What's this? Looks like, oh, more black gloves. Again, coming very handy. Another spatula. Some, I think these are little miniature cleaning heads for cleaning your molds when you're putting your mica on. They're really useful. Again, not got any of those. Problem is now I'm going to have to think of 3D prints to organise all of these. I think that's another little sanding file, which is really cool. I'm going to reorganise my whole workspace based on what I've been sent by Michelle. Some plastic little clips, some shot glasses. Again, great for mixing your resin and disposable. Now, I don't know what this is. I have not got a clue. So we're going to have to open it, guys. It's a net. Ah! A little net, which I think are made for, I think these are actually made for cakes. But what you can do is pull it up and put that over your resin piece to stop flies getting in your resin. Again, very thoughtful, very useful. Look, we can just go over there like that. Or anything else like dust. Oh, we got some iridescent powders as well. I love my iridescents, so we're going to be playing with those. What else? This box is never ending. I've got some scissors, always very useful because I do resin mine up on a regular basis. Tell Michelle watches the content. Now this, I think, will dispense alcohol if I pour alcohol in there for washing my hands after a resin project. Again, all of these things, really, really thoughtful. I think this is just a tin, a brush tin, I think it is, what you can, if you're painting, you can actually use to clean off your brush. It is. Again, really thoughtful, really useful. Some more keyring attachments. Where are we? What are these? Colourful carving pattern powder. It's a glitter nail powder kit. Again, I can definitely use those in some resin. I think we're getting towards the end. Another spatula. Oh, I can get rid of all my old manky ones now. Oh, beautiful little piece made by, I'm presuming it's been made by Michelle. So I'm going to put that on my wall somewhere as well. Beautiful. And I'm so, oh, there's still more stuff coming. We're not there yet. So we got some plastic scrapers. Great for your big pieces on your wood for spreading your resin. We got some wooden craft sticks. Always useful when you're mixing your colours. Ooh, some syringes. Now, these aren't for what you think. These are for resin, guys. So I'm looking forward to playing with those, and I don't have any syringes. So I think this will be really cool. Maybe to get some really thin UV lines in some pieces. So really excited to play with those. Some pocket hug cards to make some pocket hugs. This, I'm guessing, is black nail varnish, which again is quite useful when you're backing your pieces. Are we at the end yet? There are some big mixing bowls, so that means I can get rid of my old ones. Now I've got some nice clean ones, which are absolutely beautiful. Another nail file. We're getting towards the end now, guys. A little lighter, which is a clipper, which I'm going to use. That's an Ace of Spades one as well. Some new tweezers, so I can get rid of my old ones, because they're probably resined up. We've got a skull mold of some kind, which I don't think I've seen. Is it a skull or is it a heart? I don't know. Or is it a wolf, maybe? I think that is a wolf of some sort. I think it's a wolf and a skull. Something like that. We're going to have to pour that and find out, guys. So I'm looking forward to playing with that. And a bag full of beautiful alcohol inks. I mean, look at all of them. I'm going to have to build a stand for all of these. Look at all these colours. I'm not sure how they name them, though, because I've just spotted a green one called Orchid. But thank you so much, Michelle. Now I need to reorganise all my craft space so I can fit all of this stuff in. But it is really appreciated. So I just wanted to say thank you so much, Michelle. And I'm glad that you're liking the content and it helps. This will definitely be going down a treat. But honestly, you didn't have to. I'm just glad that you're enjoying it. And that was it, really. So just a massive thank you for the happy mail. As you can see, it's put a smile on my face, and glad that you're liking it and it's helped you get through. And I hope you're feeling a bit better and you can keep on the mend. But that's it for this video, and I'll see you all soon. If you want to send me happy mail, I'm always happy to receive it, but really, really do appreciate it. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.